Ducalis is a tool for backlog prioritization and customer feedback collection. A dashboard is where you will find the collection of all the boards that you create for different projects. To create one, click on New Board. Inside the priority board, you see the prioritization section and the feedback section on the left side menu. The section you find on the top will depend on the purpose of the board. The arrangement can be edited. If the purpose of the board is for backlog prioritization, then start by adding issues that have to be evaluated for prioritization. You can create the issues manually in the board, or import the issues from a task tracker you integrate with Ducalis. You can also import from a CSV file. Secondly, you need to set up a prioritization framework that you use to evaluate your backlog. You can pick a framework from our templates library that you can find on our landing page or on the dashboard. You can also pick a framework as you're creating your prioritization board. And also inside the board, you can create a framework from scratch.
To help improve the accuracy of your prioritization results, add users to the board for collaboration.
To start evaluating your issues, go to Evaluation. Using the criterion description as a guide, put scores under each criterion. If there's a task you don't understand during your evaluation, you can ask questions to other members and discuss it. Go to Questions to see all the questions raised and discussions held on different issues during your evaluation. And even join a discussion if you have a similar question to the one raised before. View and analyze the evaluation process results. The resulting top priority tasks from your evaluation, a detailed report of the evaluation process. Get a bird's eye view of your priorities in this 2x2 matrix grid. Under the alignment section, you can view how your team's opinions align and discuss areas of low alignment.
If you created the board for feedback collection via the voting board, the feedback section will be at the top. The voting board allows you to create a public version of a backlog for your customers to get their opinion or feedback on what you're working on, and even leave requests for features they want.
Switch it on to start adding ideas. Ideas on the voting board are requests left by users, issues from your internal backlog that you made public, or ideas you imported from another source via the CSV file. At this point, the voting board is public, and anyone who visits can view the ideas here. People can upvote or comment on ideas on your voting board. Users will also have access to the Changelog page, where they can keep track of all the new features and updates you release. They can leave feedback, which will help you to get a sense of the reception of the feature you would have released. You can keep your customers aware of the new features that you roll out by sending them release notes. Embed the Changelog widget across your product so that customers can view and go through the new features that you release,
and also keep track of your voting board roadmap.